Is your phone taking up a lot of storage but you don't know how to effectively remove all of the memory? Well, in this video I'm going to show you 4 tips to help you do exactly that. Hi everyone and welcome to the 21st Century Repairs YouTube channel, where we show you tips and tricks that will allow you to use your phone for its maximum potential. So we're going to go straight into this one. So the first tip is to use the app called Gemini. Gemini is a great automatic gallery cleaner. This allows you to remove all of the photos that you don't need with an absolute ease. So how it works is it automatically identifies all the photos that are duplicates or very similar, meaning you don't need 2 of the same photos that are holding up unnecessary storage. So tip number 2 is to remove apps you don't use. So you might have a lot of apps that are installed in your phone that you don't even use, and they can be taking up a lot of storage in your phone, especially games. So all you need to do is go onto settings, general, iPhone storage, then delete all the apps that you don't use that take up a lot of storage. This will also make your iPhone a lot faster. If you're liking these tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel below and make sure you like the video as well. Comment below how much storage you have before and after this video. We would love to know. So tip number 3 is to automatically set your messages to expire. You can alter the amount of time your iPhone holds messages for. So go to settings, messages, message history, then choose how long you want to keep your messages for. So tip number 4 is to remove old podcasts. Now if you follow and listen to a lot of podcasts like I do, then you might have seen earlier that it takes up a great deal of storage. To delete the podcast, all you need to go on is settings, general, iPhone storage, then delete your podcasts as you go. So I would suggest to delete and free up your phone storage every 3 to 6 months to allow your iPhone to maintain its speed and efficiency. So I hope these tips helped you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.